Hello and welcome to Sound Auto Care. We are conveniently located by SeaTac Airport on Des Moines Memorial Drive. Our family-owned business has a team of top-notch European vehicle specialists who are helpful, informative, upfront, and kind. We provide a full digital vehicle inspection report with a list of what needs immediate service so you can have peace of mind while we work on your Porsche, Volkswagen, BMW, Audi, Volvo, Jaguar, Land Rover, Mercedes, Mini Cooper, and more. When your European vehicle needs service and repair, schedule an appointment with Sound Auto Care today. You can find us at www.soundautocare.com. We look forward to seeing you soon.